Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by typing the heading text and selecting it. This gives Word the context it needs to apply semantic formatting. Once selected, use the Home tab or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open styles so you can choose a built-in heading level. Make sure to pick heading 1 for main titles and heading 2 for sections. This matters for navigation and accessibility. You do this now because it creates a structure that downstream tools, like table of contents and screen readers, rely on. Once the base heading is applied, right-click the style in the Styles pane and choose Modify so you control appearance globally. You can change font, size, color, and alignment. This saves time by updating every instance. Make sure to click Format Paragraph to set spacing, line height, and indentation for consistent layout. If you want the style to persist in new documents, check New Documents based on this template. Doing so enforces brand or class standards across files. To finalize, select a heading, choose Update Style to match selection so every heading updates instantly across the document. Then open the navigation pane to verify the structure and ensure heading 1, heading 2, etc. Nest correctly. This helps with TOC generation. If Word fails to detect headings, make sure you cleared manual formatting and applied the actual heading style rather than bold text. A quick fix is select the text and choose Clear All Formatting, then reapply the proper heading style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.